Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be decorating my bedroom for fall, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. So we are starting off with a clean slate, and first I wanted to make just a few small changes to the room, things I wanted to add. So I brought these curtain rings from IKEA. It comes with clips or with little hooks, depends how you want to set them up, and I decided I wanted to use the little clips. So I am going to be applying the little clips to each curtain ring individually, and then I'm going to be applying it to the curtain. I'm going to be putting it in the middle of each section until I get towards the end of the curtain. And I absolutely love how easy this was to install, and this is pretty much what it looks like. So I did want to show you guys what it looked like before when it was just on the curtain rod, and it's also from IKEA, by the way. And this is how it looks with the curtain rings. I really love the added touch, and I feel like it looks a lot better now. I also got these candle sconces from Amazon, and I just absolutely love them. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen them around. These are just such great quality. I will also be leaving the direct link to these sconces in the description box if you guys are interested, but I really love just how it looks, and I love the added touch that it gave to my wall. I feel like it added just that coziness and a lot more character to this space, so I really loved this little change. Okay guys, so these are going to be all the pieces that I'm going to be using to decorate my space. So I'm first going to start off with the side table that I have next to my bed, and I'm first going to be applying my snake plant. I just love this plant, so I'm definitely going to be just adding it here. And I'm also going to be using this pumpkin candle from Home Goods. It smells wonderful, so if you guys do spot this, I definitely recommend to pick it up. And then I'm going to be adding these candle snuffer that I got from IKEA and the wick trimmer from Hobby Lobby. Now for my desk area, I'm going to be adding this beautiful arrangement that I got from Target from the Magnolia Fall Collection. It was definitely one of my favorite items that I spotted, and I absolutely love how voluminous and just great it fills up this space. Then I'm going to be adding this little picture frame holder that I got from Hobby Lobby, as well as this pumpkin little canvas that I also got from Hobby Lobby. Moving on to my bookshelf area, I'm going to start off with the Art at Home book by Shea McGee. I just absolutely love this book, and I always include it. And then I'm going to be using this newer book called Sense of Place that I also really love, and I definitely love the brown for the fall, so I wanted to add that right on top. And then on top of that, I'm going to be adding this beautiful pumpkin that I got from Home Goods this year, and I just absolutely love the look of this. And then next to that, I'm going to be adding this vase that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's one of my favorite new pieces of this year. In the next shelf, I'm going to be adding this black vase that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to also be adding these hop stems that I also got from Hobby Lobby. And I just love how the color is so perfect for the fall time, and it looks so good on this vase. And then next to that, I'm going to be adding these two frames that I got from the new Magnolia collection at Target as well. And then to finish off the shelf and seal off this space, I'm going to be adding this little taper candle holder that I got from Hobby Lobby with this small candle that I also got from Hobby Lobby. In the next shelf, I'm going to be adding this bowl that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just absolutely love the rib detailing around it. And then I'm going to be using these pine cones that comes with little acorns. I got this little set from Hobby Lobby, as well as these vintage looking pumpkins that I'm going to be adding to, as well as bowl fillers. Next to that, I'm going to be adding this Our House catalog. And then on top, I'm going to be adding this beautiful pumpkin that I picked up this year from Hobby Lobby. On the last shelf, I'm going to be adding these woven storage boxes from Amazon. I will also leave the link down below if you guys are interested. And then next up, I'm going to be adding this beautiful little art print from Hobby Lobby. For my nightstand table, I'm going to be adding this beautiful lamp that I got from the Magnolia collection at Target as well. And then next to that, I'm going to be adding this beautiful leaf tray that I got from Pottery Barn. And I'm also going to be adding this little small magnolia arrangement that I got from the new collection as well. And that will seal off and complete this nightstand. For my wall sconces, I'm going to be adding these taper candles in the shade dark brown that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I think these are just so moody and perfect for the fall. And then for my bed, I'm going to be using this duvet cover set that I got from IKEA. And I love the plaid look. I think it just gives a nice coziness to the bed. And I definitely wanted to go for that vibe for this fall. I'm also going to be adding these throw pillows. The cover I got from Amazon and the insert is from IKEA. And to finish off, I'm going to be adding this throw blanket that I got from Target last year. And I just love the coziness. And then to give it more of a lived-in look, I'm going to be adding this Pottery Barn catalog. And that will complete our decoration for this fall. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching and for seeing the video. And I will see you all on my next one.